Seiler Precision Microscopes, elevating clinical and surgical excellence at MFI Medical. Seiler, America's leading manufacturer of precision microscopes and a variety of optical instruments, has been a mainstay for health and surgical instruments among medical, dental, and other related practices. MFI Medical is proud to offer a wide array of Seiler microscopes, each designed to enhance diagnostic accuracy, surgical precision, and educational prowess in healthcare settings. This manufacturer spotlight explores the innovative range of Seiler products available at MFI Medical, highlighting their role in transforming clinical outcomes and medical education. Seiler, a legacy of optical excellence. With a commitment to innovation and quality, Seiler has established itself as a leading provider of optical solutions, offering a range of microscopes that cater to the intricate needs of medical professionals, from high-powered surgical microscopes to advanced diagnostic and educational instruments. Seiler's products are built on precision, reliability, and user-centric design, making them invaluable tools in various healthcare disciplines. Key Seiler products available at MFI Medical. 1. Surgical microscopes. Seiler's surgical microscopes provide unparalleled clarity and focus, enhancing surgical precision in specialties such as ENT, ophthalmology, and neurosurgery. Explore Seiler surgical microscopes at MFI Medical. 2. Colposcopes. Seiler colposcopes are designed for gynecological examinations and offer high-definition imaging and magnification, facilitating detailed visualization for accurate diagnosis. Discover Seiler colposcopes at MFI Medical. 3. ENT microscopes. Seiler's ENT microscopes are engineered for excellence, providing crisp, clear images that support comprehensive examinations and procedures in otolaryngology. Check out Seiler ENT microscopes at MFI Medical. 4. Dental microscopes. With enhanced optical quality and ergonomic design, Seiler dental microscopes aid in complex dental procedures, promoting precision and patient comfort. View Seiler dental microscopes at MFI Medical. Why opt for Seiler products from MFI Medical? Choosing Seiler products from MFI Medical means investing in optical precision and surgical excellence. MFI Medical's curated selection of Seiler equipment ensures that healthcare professionals can access state-of-the-art microscopes that elevate diagnostic and surgical capabilities. Seiler's dedication to optical innovation and quality aligns with MFI Medical's commitment to providing superior healthcare solutions. Seiler's impact on healthcare diagnostics, surgery, and education. Seiler's focus on developing cutting-edge optical instruments has profoundly impacted healthcare diagnostics, surgical procedures, and medical education. Their microscopes not only enhance the accuracy of patient assessments, but also contribute to advancing surgical techniques and educational methodologies, improving overall healthcare outcomes. MFI Medical's partnership with Seiler gives healthcare professionals access to premier microscopes and optical instruments that set new clinical and surgical excellence standards. Whether for intricate surgical procedures, detailed diagnostics, or comprehensive educational applications, Seiler solutions available at MFI Medical can significantly enhance the quality of care and learning in medical settings. Explore the full range of Seiler precision microscopes and improve your healthcare practice with MFI Medical. Visit MFI Medical for Seiler products. Thank you for exploring MFI Medical's guide to Seiler precision microscopes, elevating clinical and surgical excellence at MFI Medical. Visit mfimedical.com and find the perfect fit today.